Hello students, welcome back to online classes of Semstar Global School. I am Fizza Akhtar and yesterday we started this chapter Breaking Barriers. Today we are going to continue with it and we are going to deal in the main chapter. This is part 2, but before proceeding, let us see some words for pronunciation. The first word is MiG-21 Bison. It's not bison, it's bison. Next is sortie. Next is lieutenant. It is lieutenant. I know there is no F in the word, but it is pronounced as lieutenant. Next is empowerment. And the last is cockpit. I will tell the meanings as we'll proceed towards the chapter. So if you remember, I had told you about this girl, Avni Chaturvedi, yesterday in my video, and she is the first Indian woman to fly a fighter aircraft all by herself. I had also told you about these two girls, and they are Avni's cohorts, but today we are going to study about them in detail. Those who are joining for the first time, please see part 1 and then come here. Okay, let's start. First I'll read, then I'll explain. Now read this text to know about Flying Officer Avni Chaturvedi, the first Indian woman to fly a fighter aircraft all by herself. February 19, 2018. The sky was clear and the weather was perfect. A supersonic fighter jet, a MiG-21 Bison, took off from the Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. The flight lasted about 30 minutes and then the jet circled back to land safely. Let me tell you the meaning first. Supersonic means having a speed that is greater than the speed of the sound. That means this fighter jet can fly at a speed more than the speed of the sound. And its name is MiG-21 Bison. So what happened was, on this day, on 19th February 2018, this girl, Avni Chaturvedi, she took off a supersonic fighter jet, that is MiG-21 Bison, and she took off from Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. And the flight, it lasted for 30 minutes. That means it circled in the air for 30 minutes and then it came back to the land safely. And that day, the sky and the weather was also perfectly fine for a supersonic jet to fly. Next paragraph says, the sortie was like any other that is carried out every day as a part of routine training, except for one thing. This was the first solo flight by Flying Officer Avni Chaturvedi. At 24 years, she became the first Indian woman to fly a solo sortie on a fighter aircraft. Sortie means a flight that is handled by a single person, and routine training means on regular basis. So it was a regular day. Why? Because these kind of sorties, they have been carried out on regular basis for regular practice. But one thing was different on that day. What was it? The thing was that Avni Chaturvedi, the flying officer, flying lieutenant, she took the fighter jet for the first time, that too all alone. And that is why only at the tender age of 24 years, this girl Avni Chaturvedi, she became the first Indian woman to fly a sortie, that too all by herself, that too all alone. And it was a big achievement for her and for the whole country. Next line states, Avni Chaturvedi, Bhavna Kant and Mona Singh were India's first batch of women fighter pilots and were commissioned into the Indian Air Force in 2016. These three girls were the first batch of women fighter pilots and they were appointed as army officers in the Indian Air Force in 2016. Then, just a year before that, the Indian government had decided to admit women pilots in the fighter stream. It was to be on a trial basis for 5 years. I had told you these three girls were the first Indian women fighter pilots because before that the government was not sure whether to take women as fighter pilots or not. That is why they took it on the trial basis for 5 years. That means they were just making sure whether their decision will be right or not, and they took it on a trial basis. That too for 5 years. Women form a very small part of the nearly 1.4 million strong Indian armed forces, and that is what makes Avni's achievement all the more remarkable. Yes, so in 1.4 million armed forces approximately, women are a very small part, they are very small in number, and that is why Avni's achievement and Avni's success is all that is very much respectful and that would be remembered throughout everybody's life. Next it says, when I sit in the cockpit and close the cockpit cover, any feelings of achievement, empowerment, and so on are left on the ground. I don't carry them with me. Yes, Avni says this, that whenever she sits in the cockpit is a compartment made particularly for the pilots and the crew members to handle the aircraft. So whenever she sits in this cockpit, she says that she is not carrying any kind of feeling of achievement or empowerment, and she leaves everything on the ground. Why? Because she has not taken her success on the head. Because sitting in the aircraft, that too a fighter aircraft, she has to be focused and she can't think of anything else about her success or empowerment. Empowerment means a journey or a process through which a person makes herself stronger or confident. Then it says, the aircraft is so fast and the time to react to any situation is so little that we don't have time to think about anything else, says Chaturvedi wisely, when she was asked what was going through her mind as she pushed the jet to 700 kilometers per hour. The speed of the jet is 700 kilometers per hour. I just can't even imagine the speed of the jet. That is why Avni says that the time to react is so little because the speed of the jet is very high. The time to react to any situation is so little that they have to remain focused and alert. And that was the reason she leaves all her achievements on the ground and then she sits in the cockpit, because she need to be focused and she need to be alert at every situation whenever she is flying the fighter jet. So that is all for today. I'll continue this chapter in the next part of the video. Till then, everybody, be safe, keep learning, keep revising. Thank you.